Are you looking to protect your car? Let me show you a magic. See this little device? This little device, smaller than a finger, is our magic trick. It's our IGLA Anti-Theft PIN code PIN to drive system. This device will make sure that your car stays home. Yes, that little device will make sure your car stays home. I have a few vehicles in here. Right now I'm going to show you one of them, and then we'll show you another video on the second one. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to show you the Chevy Camaro. This one is 2023. Vehicle is locked. I have the keys. So let's say a scenario that somebody boosted your key signal, stole your key, or even programmed a new key to the car. Whichever way, they have access to the vehicle. So let's go ahead and see if I can just simply drive away by having a full access, original key to the vehicle. I'm gonna get inside. Now this vehicle is manual transmission, so it does need the clutch. We have the manual transmission in here. We also added another feature of protection here, that even if the vehicle has been pushed and releasing clutch, which is called bump start, is still gonna shut down the vehicle. But at the moment right now, we don't have a section here to show you. So I'm just gonna try to simply start the vehicle. So I'm gonna press the push button, and I'm pressing the clutch and the brake, and I'm gonna turn the ignition on. As you see, I cannot start the car. No matter how much I'm pressing, the car does not start. Now I'm gonna enter the sequence of code that I created. That code can be changed and will be changed by the driver, can be changed numerous times with no limitation, can be a simple code of 3 presses, can be a complicated code of 20 presses. Could be one button, could be a few. None of the buttons are external, so there's no external devices. Everything is factory, so there's no way to follow the wiring or see it. That's why I showed you that magic device, the IGLA, very small, tiny, impossible, and the beauty of it, it's using original existing controls. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my code. As you can hear, I got my confirmation. And as you can see, the vehicle is running nice and beautiful. The next video we're gonna show you is gonna be on this beautiful Porsche Panamera. If you are interested of having that magic device installed in your vehicle, the IGLA PIN to drive PIN code system, this is the best immobilizer available in the market today. There's nothing that beats this system, and it's not being bypassed. Nobody found a way to bypass the system. You put this in your car is safe. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.